Hi, how are you? This is a very short explanation of the passive voice. The passive voice, we use the passive voice to show interest in the person or object that experiences the action. For example, who's doing the action here? Homer is doing the action. Who's receiving the action? Bart. So we want to see from the active, we said Homer is strangling Bart with his own hands. If we want to focus not on Homer, who's doing the action, but the one who's receiving the action, in this case we said passive voice. So we said Bart is being strangled by Homer. I'm going to show you some examples so you can understand the structure. First example, the teacher designs the lesson plan before each class. In this case, the active is who does the action? The teacher. What does he do? He designs the lesson plan. Now, if you want to talk about passive, look at the change that we make. We put first the lesson plan from here to here. Now, the sentence is in present, in simple present. For the passive voice, we always use this formula. We use the verb to be before the verb. The verb to be is. Why is? Because we're talking about one lesson plan. Now, what happens with the verb? The verb changes from here. You put is, and the verb you put in past participle. In this case, it's a regular verb, so you put designed. An example of past participle, for example, go. The simple past is went. The past participle is gone, okay? And if we want to say who did the action, we put by the teacher before each class. Let's see another example. The teacher designed the lesson plan before class. Now, the sentence is in past. So when you change it into passive voice, what do you think is going to happen? Okay, so the lesson plan was designed by the teacher. In this case, we write the verb in the past participle, the simple past of the verb to be. Third example, the teacher has designed the lesson plan 3 times. In this case, it's in present perfect. So when we write it in passive voice, we said the lesson plan has verb to be in being, because it's present perfect, has been, and the verb in past participle by the teacher 3 times. Okay? This is one of the examples of the things that we had in pamphlet. They said the cat chased the mouse. So in this case, we put the mouse was chased. In this case, is chased the mouse in past. Okay. So the cat chased the mouse. That is in past. So in passive voice, we said the mouse was chased by the cat. Okay. So anyways, tomorrow we'll check what we did in Padlet. Bye. Take care.